Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 5.5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I'll chain 37. So now on the third chain from the hook I'll make 1 double crochet. In the next chain 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 1 double crochet. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 6 double crochet plus this turning chain in the beginning of a row. That gives us 7 double crochet in total. Now I will chain 7. Now I'll skip the next 7 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And through the 8th chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Into the next 6 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Now that we have 7 double crochets, I will chain 7. Then I'll skip the next 7 chains, and through this 8th chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Now through the next 6 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. So I have 1 chain left because in the beginning of a row I usually make a double crochet through the 4th chain, but in this case I made a double crochet in the 3rd chain, so I ended up with 1 extra stitch. But that's alright, we can just take it apart very easily. It's just 1 stitch, see? So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around. I will chain 3. Then through the next 6 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. So again, these 3 chains in the beginning of row 2 plus these next 6 double crochet chains give us 7 double crochets in total. Now I'll chain 7. Then through his next double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. In the next 6 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Chain 7. Through this next double crochet chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. Then through the next 6 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. So this completes row 2. Now for the pattern, we need to repeat row 2. So we repeat row 2 until our work reaches 57 inches. So now we need to braid these loose chains on these two sides. So right here, we'll grab this first 7 chain loop, then we'll twist it. And now I insert my crochet hook right there to that loop. Then I insert my hook to his next 7 chain loop and pull through. Again, I insert my hook through his next 7 chain loop and pull through. I insert my hook through the next 7 chain loop and pull through. I insert my hook through his next 7 chain loop and pull through. I insert my hook through his next 7 chain loop and pull through. I insert my hook through his next 7 chain loop and pull through. And here you gotta be careful, because even though it looks very easy, it's very possible that we can skip one of these 7 chains. Make sure not to let that happen. So now we repeat the same thing for the other chain. So I will just twist this first chain just like this. Then I insert my crochet hook right there to that loop. Then I insert my hook through this next 7 chain loop and pull through. I insert my hook through this next 7 chain loop and pull through this loop. I insert my hook through this next 7 chain loop and pull it through this loop. I insert my hook through his next 7 chain loop and pull it through this loop. I insert my hook through his next 7 chain loop and pull it through. So I'll repeat this until I reach the end of this row. Now that I braided these loose chains, I have 2 large loops where I braided the chains. We'll leave them just like that for now, and then we'll join these 2 ends of this scarf together. Then I insert my hook right there to that first chain. Then I insert my hook through this loop right here and pull through. Now again, through that same double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next double crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next single crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next single crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I insert my hook right here through this loop. Then I insert my hook right here through this other side, right there to that loop, and I'll make 1 single crochet. Now through this next double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. So we are joining both of these sides together. Through the next double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next double crochet chain, 1 single crochet. To the next double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next double crochet chain, 1 single crochet. Now right here through this loop, I insert my hook. Then I insert my hook through this loop of the other side, and I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, now we'll join these 2 sets of remaining 7 double crochet chains. We just join them with a single crochet. Now right there through these last 2 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet. Then through the same chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Now chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Now just weave these ends in. This is how our finished work looks. Now our work measures 27 inches. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you liked this video and thank you so much for watching.